I am Naina Manori, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, SVIT Bangalore. I am the course coordinator for Advanced Surveying. Module 1, Trigonometric Leveling. To determine the elevation of the top of the aerial pole, the following observations were made. Instrument station at A, reading on the benchmark 1.377, angle of elevation 11 degree 53 minutes. Instrument station at B, reading on benchmark it is 1.263, angle of elevation it is 8 degree 5 minutes. RL of benchmark it is 30.150 meter. Station A and B and the top of the aerial pole are in the same vertical plane. Find the elevation of the top of the aerial pole if the distance between A and B is 30 meter. This is the figure you can observe here. Observe the staff reading on the benchmark. See here the staff reading on the benchmark when the instrument station it is at A is higher compared to the staff reading on the benchmark when the instrument station at B. Okay, it's understood that instrument station A is higher than instrument station at B. Okay, you can observe here, see here, station A is higher than B. Distance between A and B is 30 meter. You need to calculate the elevation of this what aerial pole, that is Q, and the staff reading on the benchmark when the instrument it is at A, the staff reading call it as S1. Similarly, the staff reading on the benchmark when the instrument station it is at B, call it as S2. Okay, S1 is 1.377 meter. Similarly, S2 it is 1.263 meter. Then the angle of elevation when the instrument station it is at A, it is 11 degree 53 minutes. Similarly, when it is at B, it is 8 degree 5 minutes. Then height of the elevated pole from the instrumental axis when the instrument it is at A, okay, that is this is H1 and this is H2. Okay, see when the instrument station it is at A, the height of that elevated, that is aerial pole from the instrumental axis, this point it is H1. Similarly, it is H2. Your aim is to calculate, that is the distance D and the elevation of this Q point. Okay, first write down the data, what are all the things they have given. Okay, that is S1 equals to 1.377 meter and S2 equal to 1.263 meter, and the distance between A and B it is 30 meter. Okay, you can observe here S1 is greater than S2, that is instrument A is higher than instrument at B. Okay, then calculate the distance D value. Distance D it is given by D equals to B tan alpha 2 minus S divided by tan alpha 1 minus tan alpha 2. This is the formula to calculate, that is the distance when the instrument A is higher than instrument B. Substitute the value, that is D equal to B value it is 30 into tan of alpha 2 value it is 8 degree 5 minutes minus the staff intercept, difference of what the staff reading taken on the benchmark. You will get it as 0.114, difference of S1 minus S2, that is 0.114. Then tan of alpha 1 it is 11 degree 53 minutes minus tan of alpha 2 it is 8 degree 5 minutes. Okay, upon simplification you will get D value as 60.62 meter. Once you calculated, that is the D value, you should calculate the elevation of Q. In order to calculate that elevation, you want H1 and H2. h1 using applying what? Trigonometric function. Okay, h1 will be equal to what? D into tan alpha 1. Substitute D value, it is 60.62 into tan of alpha 1, it is 11 degree 53 minutes. Okay, and h1 you will get it as 12.757 meter. Okay, then calculate similarly h2, it will be equal to what? B plus D into tan alpha 2, that will be equal to B value it is 30 plus D value it is 60.62 into tan of alpha 2 it is 8 degree 5 minutes. Upon simplification, h2 value you will get it as 12.870 meter. This is what? h2. Now you need to calculate RL of Q. Okay, RL of Q. Okay, by taking when the instrument it is at A. Okay, when the instrument it is at A, RL of Q it is given by, you can observe here, when the instrument it is at A, you need to calculate RL of this Q. Okay, that is what? RL of benchmark plus S1 plus H1. Similarly, when the instrument it is at B, to calculate RL of Q it is given by RL of benchmark plus S2 plus H2. Okay, calculated, that is what? RL of benchmark plus staff reading on the benchmark S1 plus H1. RL of benchmark it is, RL of benchmark is 30.150 plus S1 it is 1.377 plus H1 it is 12.757. Then you will get it as RL of Q as, that is 44.284 meter. Similarly, when the instrument it is at B, same way you calculate RL of Q, that is what? That is chuck. Okay, same RL of Q. When the instrument it is at B, calculate RL of Q, that is what? RL of benchmark plus S2 plus H2, that will be equal to RL of benchmark it is 30.150 plus S2 value it is 1.263 plus H2 value 12.870. Okay, then RL of Q you will get it as, RL of Q it is 44.284. You can observe here, when the instrument it is at A, RL of Q obtained is 44.284. Similarly, when the instrument station it is at B, RL of Q obtained it is 44.28. What you have calculated RL it is correct. Okay, you should get the same value. Okay, thank you.